Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve a SIMnet assignment. It's in practice assess 365 application Capstone Project 1. It's our project. For this project, you enhance the functionality of the database. That's our project description. File needed for this one. Magnificent meals ACC cap 1 manual and menu data. That's Excel file. We need a supporting file also. Here skills covered in this project. Add a database property, change the database layout, open, save and close a table, edit a table using the design view, edit the field properties in the design view, create a lookup field, import record from the Excel, create a query from the design view, execute a query, sort query results, add a parameter to query, add a title in the form of layout, edit a layout view, move the control within the control layout, set the form properties to limit user, edit and delete, test them functionally of a form. That's our project details. We will start this one project. Open the magnificent meal app1 database. I have already opened my file. That's our file. I will that one save that one to any place where I am sorting my file. Grader has automatically added my last name to the beginning of the file name. So I will save here as a file. Saving this one file. That's save now. Enable editing in the database view. So we will just enable edit this one. That's our file. What this in the third step is asking open the meals table in datasheet view. Verify that the table does not contain any record. So we will open the meals table in design view. Meals table in datasheet view. So we will just make this one as a datasheet view. He is asking that there is no record in the this. So change the data type to a data added to menu field to date and time. So we will go to the proper design view here, which for which field we need to change the property. Change the data type of the date added to menu. Date added to menu we will find date added to menu. That's our date added to menu. We need to change this one as a date and time format data type. That's our step. Select the short date format for the date and menu field. The property updated option start smart tag display when you leave this property. So we will remove this one as a format as a short date. That's our short date now selected. When you leave, however, the smart tag click an arrow to display the list of options and update format everywhere. Date and menu use click yes updated property box. So we will go. That's our required step. Make the last 8 field serving serving through the data added to meal for the other field has already set property yes. Click yes in the required. The other field is already set correctly, so we will this one required to make this one as a yes. That's our step. Save the table. So we need to save now the table. Table is now saved. We will make this one as a close this one. That's our step number 3. In step number 4, create a lookup field by tapping a value fields. Click the row selector. Click the row selector of the meal type field. So we will go to the meal type field. That's our meal type field. We will select this one row. What is a type 20 as a field size? So we need to save the 20 as a field size. Make this one field size as a 20. Select the lookup tab. We need to select the lookup tab. Here in this we need to select the lookup tab. For what he is asking, select the row source property to value list. We will select row source property as a row source property as a value list. For what he is asking, ignore the smart tag. You need the type main course, side course in the row source property. So we will copy this and we will make this one as a row source property as a this one as a required things. Set the limit to list to yes. So we will select limit to list as a yes. We will change this one property to yes. Over the property update smart tag, click the arrow to display the list option. Select update all lookup properties where the meal type is used. So we will select update all the properties everywhere meal is used. So that's our from meal listing. In this he will tell us click yes to update the property, save and close the table. So we will yes this one and now save and close the table. That's our fourth step. We have total 17 steps in this assignment. I have performed 4 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you don't want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates.